Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where creativity meets elegance. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of drawing room wall painting ideas. Get ready to transform your living space into a captivating masterpiece that reflects your unique style and personality. In this video, we will explore the beauty and versatility of canvas wall paintings. So let's dive in. When it comes to decorating your walls, nothing adds charm and sophistication quite like canvas wall paintings. They offer a wide range of artistic possibilities, allowing you to express yourself in ways that are visually stunning and inspiring. Whether you prefer abstract art, landscapes, portraits, or even intricate patterns, there's a canvas painting that will complement your drawing room perfectly. Our first wall painting idea is the timeless elegance of black and white monochromatic canvas painting. Create a bold statement, adding depth and sophistication to your space. Hang a series of black and white abstract painting of a modern and minimalist look, or choose a large-scale black and white portrait to create a focal point in the room. Moving on our next idea, vibrant colors inject life and energy into your drawing room with canvas paintings that features bold and vibrant hues. Whether you opt for an abstract composition bursting with colors or a nature-inspired landscape, these lively paintings will create a visual feast to their eyes and uplift the overall ambience of your space. For those who appreciate a touch of tranquility, our next idea is claiming nature scenes. Imagine bringing the beauty of a scenery forest, a peaceful beach right onto your walls. Canvas painting depicting natural landscapes have a soothing effect on the mind and create a scenery atmosphere that promotes relaxation and mindfulness. Lastly, let's not forget the power of personalization. Custom made canvas paintings allow you to showcase your individuality and create a truly one of a kind space. Collaborate with talented artists to bring your ideas to life and watch as your drawing room become a gallery of your own creations. With canvas wall paintings, the possibilities are truly endless. Whether you prefer classic elegance, vibrant colors, or modern abstract art, there's a canvas painting that will elevate your drawing room to a new heights. So go ahead, let your wall tell your story through the mesmerizing art of canvas paintings. We hope you found these drawing room wall painting ideas inspiring. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting home decor inspiration. Remember, a canvas painting is not just a piece of art, it's a reflection of your style and the source of endless beauty. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.